Do not cross the limit. These 4 words didn't come from a movie dialogue. They were shouted by a lawyer at a high court judge in India. It started as a routine hearing in Jharkhand, but it turned into a viral sensation that has now landed at the doorstep of the Supreme Court of India. Is this a case of a lawyer standing up for his rights, or a direct attack on the dignity of the judiciary? Today on the Factz 360, we go behind the headlines to see what actually happened in that courtroom and why the Supreme Court had to step in. The incident involved a senior advocate in the Jharkhand High Court. During a heated argument over a case, the atmosphere turned electric. While most lawyers maintain a strict, my lord decorum, this exchange took a sharp turn. The lawyer allegedly told the presiding judge to not cross the limit. The High Court didn't take this lightly. They immediately initiated contempt of court proceedings. In the eyes of the High Court, this wasn't just a heated moment, it was an insult to the chair. Realizing the gravity of the situation, the lawyer offered an unconditional apology. Usually, in Indian law, a sincere apology can end a contempt case. But here's the twist. The Jharkhand High Court refused to accept it. The court felt the apology wasn't bona fide, meaning it wasn't coming from a place of genuine regret, but rather as a way to escape punishment. They sentenced the lawyer to a symbolic punishment, which meant he could face a ban from practicing or even a fine. This raised a massive legal question. Can a court refuse an unconditional apology? This is where the story reaches its climax. The lawyer moved to the Supreme Court. On January 22, 2026, the Supreme Court took a different view. The Supreme Court stayed the High Court's order. The bench observed that while decorum is essential, the judiciary must also show magnanimity. They questioned whether a lawyer should be punished so severely if they have already apologized on record. This case has now become a landmark for the bar versus bench relationship in India. It's a thin line between a lawyer's duty to argue forcefully for his client and the respect he owes to the judge. This case isn't just about one lawyer or one judge. It's about the soul of the Indian legal system. Should judges have thick skin against heated words, or is the dignity of the court the most important thing? What do you think? Was the lawyer right to stand his ground, or did he go too far? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button for the Factz 360. We bring you the full circle on every trending story. See you in the next one.